If you're still holding on to Windows 10 or even the beloved Windows 7, you're standing at a crossroads that could expose your digital life to serious risks. Microsoft's countdown to the end of Windows 10 support on October 14, 2025, https://www.icom/n-support is ticking louder by the day, and the only operating system that will keep your system patched against evolving threats is Windows 11. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Sticking with outdated software is like leaving your front door unlocked, while cybercriminals already have blueprints for your vulnerabilities. Each Windows update isn't just a software tweak. It's a race to close security gaps that hackers are actively exploiting. Once Microsoft cuts off updates, your defenses will crumble like a sandcastle at high tide. And this is the part most people miss. Even your antivirus software won't work as effectively without the latest OS foundation. Think of it like trying to install a smart lock on a 1990s apartment door. Some modern security tools simply won't fit. Newer Windows 11 features, like enhanced firewall logic and smarter phishing warnings, are like adding motion sensors and reinforced glass to your digital home, protections that older systems can't replicate. Ready to upgrade? If you're on Windows 10 and your hardware meets the requirements, minimum 1 GHz processor, 4 GB RAM, and a TPM 2.0 chip, the switch to Windows 11 is free. But here's where it gets controversial. Many users find out too late their decade-old PCs won't qualify. To check compatibility, click Start, Settings, Update Security, Windows Update. If you see a red flag warning, Microsoft's PC Health Check app will explain why your system falls short. Before upgrading, create a full backup of your files and settings. Imagine losing years of work just because a driver failed during the transition. Windows gives you a 10-day window to roll back if something goes wrong. But after that, you'll need to start fresh from backups. At Malwarebytes, we're not here to push operating systems. We're here to keep your data safe. While we'll continue supporting Windows 7 and 10 for now, our advanced threat detection tools work best on the latest OS. So ask yourself, is holding out for Windows 10's familiar interface worth risking your security? Or is it time to embrace Windows 11's modern defenses and ask questions like, are my current apps compatible with the new OS? And, should I upgrade my hardware first? The choice is yours, but remember, doing nothing is a decision with consequences. Want to stay ahead of threats? Download Malwarebytes today and share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think Windows 11 is worth the upgrade, or are you still loyal to older versions?